Hello everyone, my name is Bombshow. Welcome to my channel. It's Bombshow Television. Musho my latest musho zviri kupisa. Guys, ganitanga nekutenda vari kusupporta our channel each and every day. Our channel is growing. Ndongopa kutenda. Newe kana uchangosvika pa channel yedu, usati wa subscriber, please support us. Subscriber mahara. Saka ndikanyopedza nguva nyorega ndipinde munyaya yanhasi, the latest story of today.
I was forced into that situation, so beef and stuff. But it was never supposed to happen like that.
So there's nothing that happened, it was just beef?
No.
It was endorsed by the fans?
No, okay, what happened is I came in 2018, right? With that Masini track I was talking about. We were doing that Shona trap sound before anyone else. And then back then, he was doing that English rap. You know. And then 2019, he came in Akurwadziwa sound rerukai. You know, like, they're gonna pin him cheek. They're gonna pin him cheek. And then he came in like, Jamba nakanti. From ease to ease, you know. So it's obvious, you know, I will inspire him. And then I came at him, my days were, I guess, non-chilling mentality, or you know, straight to the point. Came at him for social media, he copied my style, chichichi. And then he was getting big, Masuacho. So he responded, but then he tried to, you know, suppress on her. But then I grew from that. And then I started making my own sound. After these days, after Nyazemari, then I was getting attention. But here, you know, with the Dara, not talking about it. But these days, that's why I quickly came in. And then I just say, you know, I was like, it's okay, you cannot have squash or beef. And then I thought beef that was squash. I didn't know the others should do such a. That's why I want to tweet and I was on the hey, I was like, I got to
all right, guys.